Let's start with ASOS here in the UK. Its shares are down again. Of course, we had a profit warning. We had that very damaging fire. No longer the darling of the market, it seems.
No, the shares have fallen nearly 70% year to date. I think ASOS perhaps underestimated the complications of logistics on top of delivering a really quality fashion brand.
And where do you, are they cheap at this stage? Do you get back into them?
I think, there's certainly attractions in the brand at this stage, definitely, but I think maybe we need to see more news on how they are fixing some of their logistic problems that we've seen in the past.
I mentioned M&A. Clearly there's been a little bit of a pickup in M&A talk recently as well. We had the Brewers yesterday. Today it's telecoms, Orange moving on to Jazztel. What do you make of this, and could M&A start to lift the market again?
I think we have seen, a real pickup in M&A in the last couple of days. Amazon obviously being rumoured perhaps to purchase ASOS as well, which is an interesting one. You could argue that Amazon are quite capable of building their own fashion brand, but maybe following a 70% fall in the share price, they could pick up ASOS for $2.5 billion and kickstart their own fashion empire, as it were. But yes, we saw Heineken and Saab yesterday, and then interesting this morning, Orange with Jazztel, which of course follows on from a similar deal we saw in Spain when Vodafone bought Ono, as the mobile operators seek to defend against the sort of threat of bundling combined cable, fixed and mobile offers for customers.
So that M&A chatter, I guess, providing a little bit of support. Lots of other stuff, though, pulling equities around. The expected hawkish stance from the Fed, hitting sentiment a little bit. Scotland has been hitting sentiment a little bit. What, as an equity investor, should we be focusing on now?
I think there are a lot of positives to be focused on, but there are, as you say, a number of risks, especially in the short term. There's obviously the Scottish vote later this week, and I think that does bring some uncertainty for a lot of UK equities.
And where do you see Scotland going, and what do you think is going to happen to the equity market on the back of it?
I wouldn't want to call the vote, but I think it does create a lot of uncertainty.